Hi guys, these are the drills for the next round of the Kookaburra Cup for the development squad only. So what we'll do is we'll have a batting drill, then a break, a bowling drill, then a break, and then we'll have diamond cricket at the end of it. So this drill is the batting drill, and it's simply what we do is we set them up. So we basically give them a ball, maybe a red ball if we have two different coloured balls, and we ask them to put that on a cone, and what they've got to do is they've got to drive that out to the red cones on a drivable side. And then the yellow ball, what we do is we try and bounce it to them. Maybe it's a tennis ball, and they hit that out to the yellow cones. So it's simple as that, and then they try and get some runs, and you've got fielders on both sides, but you are actually giving them that, you're throwing them the one that they can hook or pull. They can also hit it straight if they want. That's completely over to them. So that is the drill for the batting. For the bowling, so once again we've done this before. The bowling looks like this. We just set them up. I'll just go back a bit. So we set them up with cones, maybe sort of 3 cones, and they try and hit the cones which are on the ground here. Once they hit the cones on the ground, then they pick up a cone and they plop it on the wickets, and they go back, bring the ball back, and have another bowl. So we're teaching them to bowl, and we're looking at accuracy. To just remember the rock and roll method, which is simply rock and roll and release the ball as it's going past your ear. So the windmill method, should I say. So that's simply going to be the bowling drill. For the game, we did this last week, so it's all about diamond cricket. So you can see we set up 4 stations, 1, 2, 3, 4, so it's 4 wickets. So we just need to make sure we've got 4 wickets set up, and we have 4 batters. The person in the middle, which is the coach, simply bowls to any batter they want. Make sure you give equal turns, and as soon as they get a run, then everyone runs around. Simple as that. And then you've got fielders, and then you have turns. So lots of movement, lots of fielding, and lots of batting, and lots of participation. So that's the diamond cricket. That's something we really want to. We'll probably do this most times because it is. It just looks a lot more fun for the kids. For those who are on the other side, the competition grade, we really need you guys to front up a lot earlier than you did last week, because we want to get those games started as soon as possible, and it's also less stress for me knowing that I've got the umpires for those. So hopefully it's on the 22nd, which is tomorrow. I will let you know sooner rather than later if it's not, before school finishes at least. And I always try and play because I know you guys get paid for it, and I want to be able to give you guys some cash. But if the fields are closed, then there's not a lot we can do. So could be our first cancellation tomorrow. But do let me know if you can make it or not. Thanks guys. Bye.